Have you ever wondered what exactly is a share market? It's an exciting world that impacts our lives in more ways than we realize. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of the share market and why it matters to you. Let's start with the basics. The share market, also known as the stock market or equity market, is a platform where individuals and organizations trade shares of publicly listed companies. These shares represent ownership in a company, and by buying or selling them, investors can participate in the growth and success of these companies. The share market acts as a vital engine for economic growth. It provides companies with a means to raise capital, enabling them to expand their operations, innovate, and create new job opportunities. When companies grow, it has a cascading effect on the entire economy. It drives job creation, fuels innovation, and helps build a prosperous society. The share market plays a crucial role in this process. Did you know that the share market is estimated to be worth trillions of dollars? It attracts millions of investors from around the world, each looking for opportunities to grow their wealth and secure their financial future. Investing in the share market isn't just for the wealthy or financial experts. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can participate and potentially reap the rewards. One of the main advantages of investing in the share market is the potential for long-term wealth creation. By investing in profitable companies, individuals can benefit from capital appreciation and regular dividends. Investing in the share market has allowed me to build a nest egg for my retirement and fulfill my dreams. I started with a small investment, and over time, it has grown significantly. It's amazing to see how my wealth has multiplied. Expert, on screen. If you're new to the share market, it's important to educate yourself, set clear goals, and diversify your investments. Don't forget to invest for the long term and stay informed about market trends. So, whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for a specific goal, or secure your financial future, the share market offers a world of opportunities. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of the share market. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos about finance, investing, and wealth creation. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from understanding the share market. Thank you for watching.